Check this with the calci. 90 into 60 divided by pi. When you do in the calci, you will get this, and that expression is in minutes. So you can write delta 2 as 1718 C2 by R, delta 3 as 1718 C3 by R. In the similar way, for the if you extend and if you write for n portion, that is delta n, it is nothing but 1718 Cn by R. So we have find out the angles for all the tangential angles, that is small delta. Let us understand about the total tangential angle or deflection angle, that is capital delta. But for the first chord, the tangential angle is equal to deflection angle. So here we are writing that for deflection angle, for the first chord, that is T1A, tangential angle is equal to deflection angle. Hence, capital delta 1 will be equal to, you can write this as small delta 1 is equal to capital delta 1, or you can write it as capital delta 1 is equal to small delta 1 and take this as expression 1. So for the second chord, that is AB, second chord here is a AB, and the chord is nothing but here from T1 to B you can take, and for the chord T1B, central angle made is angle T1OB. So that is what given here. For the second chord AB, tangential angle delta 2. For the chord length T1B, angle made at the center will be T1OB. For the chord T1B, the angle subtended is T1OB. So to write this here, from the here property of the circle, we know that angle made on any circumference, that will be, that is whatever the angle made here, this is half of the T1OA. That means this angle, so this angle, that is T1OA, is twice the angle made on the circumference. That is written by rearranging. VT1A is, this portion is half of this portion. So according to the property of circle, same thing we have written here, but here VT1A, because we are considering here only first chord, so it is VT1A. When we come for second chord, that is VT1B, that will be equal to half of T1OB. So here VT1B is equal to half of T1OB. So in order to write